though we just noticed a shoe repair man here on the side of the road, so we're gonna see if it's okay to video him.
Car door there, babe, like that, eh?
Yeah, I'm watching it. We're gonna see if it's alright if we video him doing his shoe repairs. Hola! It's okay if I video you? Can I video you? Yeah? He's doing repairs on like a running shoe here. And these guys have been out here since we moved here, and I never realized that's what he does here. Got art in itself. He's got some other shoes here in his little setup. He's actually doing like a running shoe, which is pretty cool. Bueno, it's good. Yeah. So now we know if we ever need a shoe repaired where we can bring it. It's good. Pretty cool. I've obviously done this before. I had a pair of sandals he could have fixed, but I threw them out. I had no idea. There you go. Shoe repair, Costa Rican style. Gracias. Gracias.